Hi first graders, today we are going to read an interactive story called 10 Little Puppies by Julie Peters. Count the puppies, 1 to 10. Now hide 3 puppies and count again. How many puppies are left? So your job right now is to cover up 3 puppies with your hand and count the rest. How many are left? I counted 7. 8 hungry puppies love to eat. Hide 2 puppies from noses to feet. Count how many puppies are left. 7 puppies play in the hay. Hide 3 little puppies who are sleepy today. How many are left? 5 puppies walk at the shore. Hide 3 or 4 or even more. How many did you hide and how many are left? So if you covered up 1 puppy with your hand, how many puppies would be left? 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can cover as many as you want and decide how many are left. 2 little puppies nap in the sun. Hide them both. They had too much fun. How many are left after you subtract 2? 1 little puppy sits all alone. There are no puppies to play with, so he runs for home. How many puppies are left? That's the end. So here is an optional activity. It says responding to the math concepts, hungry puppies. You can look at page 3 or on a piece of paper, draw a W for each puppy that is white, draw a B for each puppy that is brown. You can talk about it. If you look back at page 3 again, you can tell how many puppies are white and tell how many puppies are brown. Or you can write about it. Same activity, looking at page 3, writing about how many puppies there are in all. Remember, that's an optional thing, friends. You don't have to do that. I just wanted you to hear this story about the cute 10 little puppies. Have a good day.